Hi there, students. I had a question from Safa asking me to make a video about the word temperament. Well, I probably want to include the word temperamental as well. So I think somebody's temperament is all of the characteristics that go to make up the way somebody behaves, the style they behave in, the way they experience the world and the way they react to it. So let's see, somebody could be of a very sad and depressive temperament. They're always sad, they always react sadly to things. Somebody could have a very upbeat temperament. Yeah, they could be very positive. Okay, so the temperament is the way of thinking, the way of reacting. Somebody could have a nervous temperament. They could be of a nervous disposition. So a disposition is a good synonym for this as well. Yeah, it's a distinguishing mental characteristic of someone. It's talking about the way that they act. Yeah, let's see, if we call somebody temperamental, it means that they're excessively changeable. Yeah, one minute they're really happy and the next minute they're really sad. So they're subject to violent mood changes. Yeah, this guy is really very bipolar, so be careful. He's very temperamental. Yeah, he can be happy as anything one minute and as depressed as you could get another. Okay, so temperamental. We normally use this to say somebody whose mood is very changeable. You could also say a machine is very temperamental. Sometimes it works really well and sometimes it just doesn't work at all. That's a temperamental machine. Yeah. You don't know how it's going to react. So, yeah, my car's a bit old and temperamental. Okay, so it's either temperamental, either somebody whose character, whose mood changes radically. Yeah, and then the temperament, the person's characteristics. Yeah, the way they tend to react to things. Yeah, the individual characteristics that go up to make their personality. This is the idea of temperament, their nature, their disposition, their character. Yeah. So an animal could be of a very loving temperament, yeah, or a very aggressive temperament. Yeah. So you have all sorts of different temperaments. I think originally in medieval times the idea was that the body was made up, had four different humours, four different bodily fluids, and the temperaments were melancholic, phlegmatic, sanguine and choleric. So melancholic, depressive, phlegmatic, doesn't react to things, sanguine, bloody, and choleric, somebody who gets angry. So I think sanguine, violent, and then choleric, someone who actually gets angry. And your character depended on the mixture of these fluids. Okay, so a person's temperament, yeah, the way they think, the way that they react, the way that they see the world, yeah, and temperamental, somebody who whose temper, whose mood changes very radically. Let's see, temperament. I'd probably give it a 6 in formality, use it anywhere. Temperamental, maybe a 5 in formality, and again, use it anywhere. So they're both good, useful words. And then as to origin, well, temper comes from the Latin word temperamentum, which I think means a mixture. Yeah, so yeah, the mixture of tempers, the mixture of bodily fluids, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Temperament and temperamental.